Paper. Now this size is the size I like, which is 5 centimeters by 10 centimeters. I've also got a pencil here, just you'll see later, just to help me poke things into place, but you don't really need it. First thing is you bring the straight bottom line up to the top to create a center fold. Open it. Now bring the edges into the center fold and the top half down as well. Lift it up, turn it and fold down. Get this crease nice and neat, and this one also nice and neat. Now fold a corner down to create a triangle. Again, get the creases as neat as you can, and the same on the other side. Neat as you can. Open. And now you need to tuck these triangles in the inside. If your creases are neat, this should be quite easy. If it doesn't work, make your creases a bit neat and try again. So you've just tucked them in, yeah? Now you bring this straight edge into the middle and this straight edge down. Flip, bring that straight edge up and this one down. We're almost done. So now you need to gently open. Look, you can already see it. And this is where your pencil is handy. I just help push the little box into place. There we go. It gets all into the right corners. And then I also use my pencil to just roll this. It just makes it a bit easier to fit around your finger. You don't have to use a pencil, but I do think it helps. Then adjust, slide it in to fit your finger, and your paper ring is finished. That was super quick and super easy, wasn't it?